Mentah kasngi Menteri Ketenaga Social Welfare Gejala ubak polling do ula lu me ki MLA na sor bat kapsor ki MDC bat kumju ki rang ba shno kinong yalam ki kan hun yang ba pher ki seng 3 months ngobha ban ya ther kumno ban ya le persha I udrok ubolong kum uyak jakor ban penjat ya ka imlang salang hakani ke jialang kumba Henry Pautali ki dor bat shnong ki lawan ban shimenta bat ban ajing mut ya ka Sorkar halor kumno ban ya khun persha I udrok bat ki we ki jing Sniew ha ka imlang salang yakni ke program la penbet da Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills ringkat ketanat pulit lingba ka jing prat lenti menteri lengba ka thong drugs reduction elimination and action mission habakran hadin balawai ke jingalang menteri ka Sorkar jala uba polling do ula ong bala aipor shibnai ki dorbar shnong ba ajing mut ban penkala ki rules jong ka VDP ka bala thaw ha uslam ara char pra ke jingalang kala rai ru ban ai copy ki rules jong ka NDPS and sam shaki dorbar shnong ban ajing mut ban penbhai ki rules bat ka wipat kalong bagi MLA MDC kinya dan mentalang hakani ka thong uba pol ula ong ban ajing hikai ru ki VDP bakin sngoth bat kinang ban trekam kat kum ki kendon jong ka an bala pritak menteri ula ong bagi to ki bamlian ban le ki kam khai drop en sapen shitom da ka an ka bating e
I extend a very hearty welcome to our Dorpashmans. Players smoking and presentation, and Pynkhlain and Jul, the prevalence of HIV/AIDS and Kiev, the EP, Pynkhlain and members to the district council, at the very outset, instead of a speech that I will be deliberating, I would like us to concentrate more on hearing from you. And with the convergence mode that we have adopted, we would like to ensure that all stakeholders are involved, everyone is taken on board, and we should be in a position to effectively combat this menace on a war footing. So at this point of time, since you have heard the various presentations, very meaningful and substantive points have been raised in the presentation of our various aim, Dr. Marco Mitri and Dr. De Cruz, as well as on the structure and functioning of the VDPs and how the department, after a series of meetings, has come to a point of conclusion that we need to revive, restructure, reorganize the VDPs. As we have heard, that there are the number of registered VDPs in Shillong is just 11. In a city whose tools and weapons with which civil society had used in the past in combating crimes, bootlegging, and other social evils. Today, the thinking in the government is that we need to revive, reorganize, rejuvenate the participation of civil society so that we will be in a position to overcome this menace. There is a saying that where a small mind sees problems, a great mind sees opportunities. And today we see this as an opportunity for civil society to come together, fight and take on this menace. And instead of, we live in an age which is constantly under panic attacks from various news, the social media, the interaction every day. People are panicking at several levels. But today, we would like to not transmit panic. We would not like to be transmitters of panic and soothsayers of bad days, but we would like us to be transformers. Backdrop in mind, I would like now to briefly request members present here, especially from the Torkar to give us their valuable inputs. I believe we have circulated these rules to all of you on the rules which the Director of Social Welfare has just mentioned. And also, you will be aware that under these rules notified on the 29th of May 2008, the Village Defence Organization rules clearly lay down the structure, the organization, the functions, the roles of the VDPs, and with this backdrop in mind, knowing the huge shortcoming of the presence of VDPs first in the capital city, we thought we would like to take a start by having today's meeting. So I leave the floor open.
And we hope that this meeting today will not only be a dream. I don't want that it should be a dream. I want that it will be a reality, which should be practical, sustainable in our Shillong city and also in the rest of our state. Why I'm saying so? Because we feel that your initiative from the Social Welfare Department is very much needed at this very, very important time. Thank you for Paul as the initiator of the dream, and we hope and we know that we will achieve this reality in the long. I firmly believe that those Sniew and those people who are involved in those localities, which we have in our own localities, Pynkhlain, Pynkhlain, etc. Those Sniews which have strong and vigilant community Torkar, I hope they can perform, and they are doing so good. Yes, we congratulate Pynkhlain Torkar for what they have been going on now, and we hope that will continue to be so. But one of my concerns, dear all the members who are in this gathering today, what shall we do with those areas which do not have snow? Like Police Bazaar, Yomolong, Watran, who will be the watchmakers of these areas? Isn't it? As we have seen, I think these days we appreciate some of the NGOs who have done these good things in society. So my main concern this time that as I sat here listening to all the presentations, those vulnerable areas which have no snow, what shall we do as this meeting will complete today? Secondly, because to contain my speech, I am trying to find words the importance of the Home Department. We are thankful to Vivek, which have shown to us the route